Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best baby shower decor is probably one of the most important aspects to consider when planning a memorable baby shower for your loved one, as it sets the tone and ambience of the entire celebration, transforming a simple gathering into a truly enchanting and unforgettable experience that reflects the joy and excitement of welcoming a new baby girl into the world. So choosing the right decorations is crucial in creating a magical atmosphere. Number 5. 82 PCS Baby Shower Boy Decor Kit. It's time to celebrate your little one. This kit has everything you need to create a stunning baby shower, from balloons to letter blocks. Get ready to be amazed. These decorations aren't just for baby showers, they're perfect for first birthdays, gender reveals, or even maternity photo shoots. Make it a memorable event. You get 32 balloons, 4 boxes, and 42 letters, everything you need in one convenient kit. No need to buy separate items. They're made with high-quality, durable materials that will last. The boxes are made of premium cardstock, and the balloons are thick and long-lasting. Setting up is a breeze with pre-folded boxes and easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, you get a bonus PDF with a shower planner and extra letter templates. Simply blow up the balloons and place them inside the boxes. It's that easy to create a breathtaking centerpiece. What we like? It's a complete kit with everything you need for a memorable baby shower. If you're looking for a versatile and high-quality decoration set that allows for personalization, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a stress-free setup and a truly unique celebration. What people say? Very easy to set up, the gold was everything we needed it to be. Color, quality material, sturdy. Functional was absolutely great. Overall though, it was a super cute decoration and it looked amazing next to our balloon arch. All of our guests loved it. It fills a little more space than I anticipated, but it turned out well regardless. Number 4. EpiqueOne 20 Pom Poms. Transform any event with these adorable puff balls. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance to bridal showers, birthdays, or any special occasion. Enjoy a stunning array of colors: blush pink, dusty rose, mauve, and cream. Each color comes in 5 different sizes for a varied and beautiful display. These pom-poms are simple to fluff and set up. Just tie a string, unfold the layers, and gently fluff into a rounded shape. Hang them around your venue to instantly elevate the atmosphere. Their vibrant colors and soft texture create a beautiful and unforgettable ambience. These charming pom-poms are reusable and offer excellent value. Simply store them away and use them again for future celebrations. What we like? These charming pom-poms add a touch of elegance and vibrancy to any event. If you're looking for a colorful and reusable decoration that's easy to set up, this is a great option. They are perfect for adding a pop of color to your baby shower. What people say? Used for a baby shower and fit the bill for what was needed. The functionality, look, ease of assembly were all good. Was great quality, did not rip at all. I'm sure all these types of decorations take time, so just get them separate ahead of time very full and pretty. Color scheme is true to color palette. Quality of tissue paper is great. Once proofed out, it holds shape well, great poof and awesome fluffiness. Varied sizes. Held on the wall with scotch tape packaged well and directions easy to follow. Number 3. QPEY Baby Shower Boxes. These elegant boxes are perfect for your baby shower. They're made of sturdy, reusable material and easy to assemble. Made from thickened paper and plastic, it's more durable than other boxes on the market. Lightweight and reusable, they're a great value. They come pre-folded and ready to assemble. Simply follow the easy instructions and add your own personal touch. Ideal for gender reveals, birthdays, or any baby celebration. Get creative and add balloons or other decorations to personalize them. Each package contains 4 clear boxes and 4 letter stickers to spell out "baby." Let your creativity shine. These beautiful boxes will add a touch of elegance to your baby shower or party. They are the perfect way to display your gifts or decorations. What we like? These sturdy boxes are easy to assemble and reuse for multiple events. If you want simple, elegant boxes to showcase your balloon arrangements, and don't want to spend a fortune, this is a great choice. They are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your baby shower. What people say. Easy and simple to assemble. Insert lights and balloons, and stored away. Super easy way to decorate for a baby shower. The blocks are easy to assemble and are compact before setting up, then take up a good amount of space once assembled. I ordered 2 different colors of pink balloons to fill the blocks with and was very happy with the result. Number 2. Sweet Baby Company. Pink Baby Shower Kit. Welcome to the sweetest baby shower ever. This adorable kit has everything you need to create a beautiful celebration for the new arrival. It's a gorgeous mix of rose gold, pink, ivory, and white. These 46 pieces will transform any space into a magical setting. You'll receive 2 It's a Girl banners, letter balloons spelling baby, a girl foil balloon, plus paper pom-poms, lanterns, and tassels. No need for a trip to the store. Everything is included and ready to assemble. The balloons are designed for air inflation and can be reused. It's easy to put together, just fluff the pom-poms, string the banner, and roll the tassels. Allow about an hour for assembly. These premium quality decorations are professionally designed in California, and carefully packaged. We're here to help if anything is missing. What we like. This kit has everything you need for a beautiful baby shower, with classic and chic decorations. If you are looking for a convenient and high-quality decoration set that's easy to assemble, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free setup and a beautiful, cohesive look. What people say. The lanterns were easy to pop open and they didn't tear at all. I can never quite get the pom-poms fluffed the same as the pictures, but they still looked pretty great. This will save you the hassle and money of buying all the separate pieces. It looked great, although I didn't use all the pieces. I was running late putting up the decor and I hastily put it all together and it still turned out great. There were so many different decorations that together with lots of balloons we were able to decorate our entryway, dining area, and our living room. It was easy and fun to assemble pom-poms, tassels and lanterns. Directions were very simple and everything was packaged very nicely. Number 1. Rustic Wood Baby Shower Backdrop. It's the perfect addition to your baby shower, creating a charming and rustic atmosphere for your special day. With its beautiful floral design, it's sure to capture stunning photos. Setting it up is a breeze. For copper grommets and a long white string make hanging it simple and quick, so you can focus on celebrating. It's not just for baby showers. This backdrop is perfect for birthdays, photo shoots, or any celebration you can imagine. Use it again and again. Made from durable, vibrant polyester fabric, it's lightweight, seamless, and won't fade. It's built to last and look great. Capture those precious moments with this stunning backdrop. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and rustic charm to your party and create memories that will last a lifetime. It measures 6.1 by 3.6 feet and comes with a 13-foot white string for easy hanging. Everything you need is included. What we like. This backdrop is large, easy to hang, and made from a durable material. If you're looking for a stunning backdrop for photos and a beautiful addition to your party, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a high-impact decoration that's easy to set up. What people say. High-quality fabric and grommets with attractive wit ribbon ties. Design on fabric is true to photos and item description. The banner was purchased to decorate a large, white brick wall for an outdoor shower. We were pleased with the quality and it can easily be reused many times. This fabric was amazing. This product could be used again and again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.